Crash reported ahead on San Bernardino Freeway in half a mile. You're still on the fastest route.
Turn around.
Alright, we gotta go back.
For me, it showed me that you took the longer route.
Really? Well, I put the address to the place.
Oh, Alex.
What?
Yeah, I think you took the wrong route.
What? Oh, hold on, let's... Fuck, where'd I pull up? I put the address for the...
Nah, just keep going, Oh, damn.
We're good.
You sure?
Well, I know I'm asking, like, where am I, like... Tripping or we're going to the same place?
I mean, yeah, I think it just made you go a little bit around.
Where the fuck is this?
Bro, don't stop. This is the worst place to stop.
I just can't. Pavement ends? Oh, hell nah.
Okay, I want you to turn around here.
I thought fucking electric cars don't do good up there.
No, one of them got stuck here and stopped working.
Oh.
Like, that's what I was telling you.
Electrics?
Yeah.
They don't, it's because the batteries don't do good during the cold. That's one of the downside of having electric cars. Especially during, like, you know, winter areas, like snow areas.
Yeah.
Over there, Tesla's, you rarely see them. Or none at all. Or electric cars in general.
Interesting to something to keep in mind, I guess.
That's I'm gonna get a full electric and then go to Big Bird again. Another second storm. Yeah. We just got to the Highway 18 and yeah, they closed the road.
Yeah, so if you can get there, just keep me posted. If you can get there, then
Okay. Yeah.
just keep me posted.
That's good. See. No,
Okay,
we're not gonna go there.
We'll keep you updated.
Yeah, because it's like 4B.
Damn, so we're not gonna make it, huh? I don't think so. Hey, bro, turn off this mic.
Fuck. Perfect.
Ah.
That's perfect.
Close the window, dog. Ahí viene la policía. Yeah. Yup. Setting on the right thing. Yup. Go down.
330? What is it?
Big Bear. 38.
Pretty fucking bad.
I know.
So what do you say? I think that was an avalanche.
He said to go fuck ourselves.
Damn, really?
Mm-hmm.
So Big Bear?
Look, what we could do, let's go back over there where we went, Big Bear. I guess kick it in the snow for a bit, and then try to find somewhere else to stay.
Well, let's go to Big Bear and check out what they have over there.
Big Bear City.
Yeah.
It's...
If we could rent out like a cabin, like you said, better, I guess.
I'm gonna talk to the homie. I'm gonna be like, we're just gonna go to Big Bear.
Ciao.
Yeah, we're probably gonna go at Big Bear.
What's that?
We're probably just gonna go to Big Bear.
Okay. I don't know, it could be a while, dude. They gotta clean it up.
And it's gonna get worse too. On top of that.
It's gonna get worse. We got more coming.
All right, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You got all 4 tires chained up?
Yes, we do.
Man.
We can't risk it, you
Is that
know.
all-wheel drive too?
No.
Okay, you're good, bro. Be careful.
For next time, do I need to put it on all 4 or
No. Just where your powertrain is. Is front wheel or rear wheel?
front wheel?
Then you put them on the front.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but all 4, that's great. That's even better. You're a tank now.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you.
You know what's crazy though?
What's up?
That avalanche could have actually hit us if we went through there, like at the same time, you know? Because it just recently happened.
You should have left at 4 a.m.
There's like a multiverse where like we took that direction.
I'll probably be the only one survive.
There's like no areas where it's just like snow and people can just kick it. I feel like if I play in any of these snows, I'm playing on someone's property. Where's that?
It's
Oh damn. Homie knows what he's doing. Homie knows what's up.
I can suck my dick.
He stopped exactly where it was supposed to. Oh my god. Type of shit you only see in the movies. Yo, it's snowing. Damn. Bro, we could play right here.
What happens if I dip my balls here?
Hey, dog, we could low-key make like a little slide, no?
Hey, welcome. My name is Mario. Welcome to Jackass. We go like that. And
Go throw yourself over. You're not dumb. Go for it.
let me put on my face
Backwards. Throw yourself backwards.
Hell no, bro. What
Oh,
about
what about you, Simon? You got everything. You set up. You even got the goggles.
Fuck it, let's go.
Brad like that.
That feels nice.
Go try it, Mario.
Okay.
That shit sucked too, huh? I don't have a jacket, so I'm not gonna try it. The snow. Hey.
Turn on the water stuff.
You caught me when. That's a foul move, dude. Pay that double. Bro, these snowballs are so soft.
I wasn't even ready. My internal temperature is fucked.
Yeah, your glove? Oh yeah, yeah, take them off.
Hold on, I gotta get suited up if you want to play this.
Damn, don't worry.
Well, this is
Yeah, try it. Look, I felt it. It's because it hit my wrist. Here. Try it.
Oh, that's a GoPro. Oh, look.
Oh!
Hey, hold up. You wasted a snow angel.
I did when I was in the front.
Yeah.
Let's go take some of those chairs.
God damn.
I'm so glad I'm not cold.
Hey, get that. Bro, you been cold before or what?
Hey, this shit don't stick though.
You have to. Nah, don't powder it too much because that's
Don't
how it
pack it.
hurts.
If you pack it too much, that shit hurts.
That's how it hurts if you. Just like, yeah, like that. Wait, that also hurts.
2, 3, 4, 1.
Charizard, I choose you.
This is right there. No, let's start a snowman right now.
Down.
Alright. You don't want to keep on going? I gotta go into the shitter right now. Yo, the blizzard is already starting. Such a good sign.
This is the right place, bro.
Raise yourself.
Hey, don't pack that shit though.
Hey, hit the GoPro.
This shit hot. Don't pack that shit though.
Can you get that?
Oh fuck! That would have been a
Don't pack it too much.
Oh. Oh. I can't even see because of my...
I didn't put my helmet on. Get us on.
Hey, what the hell? My mask is glowing from the inside.
It's glowing?
Yeah.
Oh
no, it's just snow. That's crazy. Can we make angels?
It's tiring.
Wanna make angels? Alright. Favorite spot.
That shit hurts.
나들의 대표이시냐 already like there's no time for fighting.
I choose you. Look at that shit.
Him out trouble.
Everybody get up on the 7.
Bueno.
A ver, hace para arriba. ¡Ven el culo!
Oh.
I'm gonna practice my aim, dude.
Oh!
Yeah, that would've been a clean shot.
You didn't even dodge it. Didn't even try. Oh!
I got me a fucking Pokemon after this.
Oh, dude. Hey, yo! Make a snowman.
Hey, I'm about to do it.
What?
A snowman.
I wonder how you do it.
You
You
gotta,
can make a big ass ball and
yeah.
you roll that bitch, huh?
Hey, round 2, let's go! Nah, we for sure gotta go skiing tomorrow. Nah, we have to.
Go where?
Skiing.
Ski?
We have to try it.
Oh, damn, that was fucking close.
Hey, how about we do that? Like one slice down and we have to like throw snowballs.
Fuck it, I'm down.
Not it.
Oh shit, this one.
It's going faster right here. Dude. Ah!
But, right?
Yeah, it goes faster here.
There you go.
Get up, get up. That's just one.
I chose a headshot. Why'd you go
Catch him in his mouth, bro.
I don't even have the GoPro facing that way.
Fuck. Get right.
Fuck, that was fast.
I wanna try it.
Yo! Oh, fuck.
Damn, where the fuck is it?
I won.
Hey, look, you can do that. You can actually lay down on it. That's it.
Oh, is your car passing you?
Damn. Damn.
Hit that foot with snow.
That was gonna look cooler, but.
Get that foot!
Oh. What the fuck?
Headshot!
How did you guys have the best aim when it comes to me. You get a little too close.
Well, come on, you gotta be right here where we were at.
Damn.
I should be a Pokemon trainer, dude.
Oh, what's
Come on, Esteban. Come on, Esteban. Oh! Oh!
Alright, let's get this one.
God damn! Look at this shit. Your feet go through it.
Wait.
Espérate.
Wait.
Espérate, hay culote. Devon, I'm gonna light up the joint. Shit. Oh yeah,
There we go.
Oh, no variation on the playlist? I should just fuck up. Let's build that thing that Squidward built at the end of the episode. Where they're having a snowball fight.
Do you guys want to cook them? Or save it for later?
I'll let you just. I mean, Alex.
I'll make it. Let me pour it in it.
Oh, that one got wet like 2 days ago.
No, but there's another one that has gotten wet yesterday, and that's still wet. I just have to. It's just that it got wet.
Oh.
It was in my sweater pocket.
I was the wrong side this whole time.
You're.
Yeah, I think you're recording. Well, you handed it to me like that.
The bloopers?
And I had my face for like a cool while. Just
I was recording. Hey, yo, did that shit came back?
what?
Yeah, they covered our tracks.
The fucking cars that pass by. What? Where our car is at?
Yeah.
Probably not. Wait, I haven't seen that one. Fuck Biden. I don't remember seeing that.
Yeah, this is not a street.
Hey, is this even a block?
No.
No, dude.
No one. We were like, oh, it's like destroyed now, and like, even the car got icicles. Damn. All right, Mario, take over. My hands is freezing.
It's good.
What's awful?
No, I'm not keeping it. You're lucky I'm holding the camera. Oh, damn, headshot. You better get him, that's all. Better get him.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, I don't even try to dodge you. That's a go.
I should head to the GoPro.
Thickums.
I'm pretty sure it's a big pair of snowflakes.
Same. So mijo. The fucking joint is still there. Damn, the rocks though.
Yeah, we gotta find them.
Oh yeah, softer than yesterday, huh?
I got the hair make it look so.
It hit on his face, does it? Make it really hard.
Hey, we are gonna put a hole in it, right?
Yes. Hey, you gotta take the slides though.
Yeah, that's why I took mine out.
I'll go get mine.
What? Like this one would hurt. So.
God
Yeah,
damn.
you're about to kill that fool.
I'm about to knock him out again.
Okay.
Oh, that was right in his mouth.
Okay, that's fast, was that?
That's fucking cheating. That's a shotgun shell instead of a straight dart. Gang gun funnel?
Yes. Oh! Who the fuck threw that?
Running.
Oh!
Throw yourself, fool. Am I tripping or is it hard to make snowballs with this shit? Nah, yeah, you have to pack
Nah,
it.
if anything, like, just do this. Just grab it once, and that's it.
Oh, you found the secret. Oh, it's true what he said. What?
Get on, get on. No, just kidding. I think that shit's off.
This is the spot, dude.
Oh, there. Oh, never mind. That shit got crazy.
That's why you need fucking
That gust, the wind.
Hey, nah, cause low-key, LA be colder than this.
Low key?
Bullshit.
Hell yeah.
Bullshit. We're over here like 3 fucking layers, dude.
Still though, like,
No,
Like,
you
I'm
never wear
imagining,
3
like-
fucking layers in LA. Max 2.
if I were two layers over there, I would still be cool. There's not that much of a difference.
You're wearing the layers wrong, man.
Oh!
Oh. You're good. I wonder how it got that crazy though.
sometimes they last for a couple of minutes too. It's crazy. Even more now.
I'm just handing to people like that. Listen back.
Hey, that shit was sick.
You guys don't have any yeah, that's perfect. I'm gonna use these as colors.
Damn, we got a lot of snowballs.
Yes, sir.
It's probably only enough for like one game.
That's why you gotta use your snowballs wisely, man.
Oh.
He's gonna be sniping with a grenade too.
Wait, oh, those are ditch shit. Oh, that's sick. I know.
What if you get hit with those?
You can still get hit though.
Hey, you know what you do? You guys ever post something like that? Just take a picture of this and use it as a thumbnail for the Modern Warfare shit. This is with the loading screen.
Flip a coin.
Tails.
What music did you guys want me to play?
The one Modern Warfare 2 soundtrack. The whole soundtrack.
Just
Wait, so,
multiplayer?
okay,
Original,
pause.
yeah.
This is not Search and Destroy then, right? This is
You get shot once.
Hardpoint.
No, you should get shot once.
This is Demolition.
It is Hardpoint.
So we're spawning again?
It's,
But you
no, we're
can't-
not
there's
funny.
no respawn.
The game is over, everybody dies.
Oh, and then we switch sides.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a banger.
Damn.
Clean fight. If you get hit, you get hit. Don't be pussies. I'm ready, bro.
Damn, bitches.
We're loading up on the loading screen.
Wait, let me switch the map.
I like this map. Let's go somewhere.
Alright. I'm gonna throw the snowball up. Once it hits the floor. Ah, shit. Started. Oh. too good though.
Hey, yo, you can't cross it. Oh, you good? You good?
No mames, güey. What's up, mijo?